No, you don't want me there.
See how big they are, then?
Yeah.
I like the noises.
Do you want to come in?
Hey?
Do you want to come in?
No, I was going to take your photo. You can see it.
I don't want me on there.
These Kune Kune.
Yeah.
Kune Kunes.
Where's from?
New Zealand.
How old are they?
14 weeks.
Not very old. How long do they live? Roughly speaking.
Well, normal pigs live 9 to 16, so I don't know. I don't know about these ones because we've only just got them.
We're just going to stay in here or are you going to let them out anyway?
We'll probably build a bigger enclosure for them.
How big does it get?
Not about twice that size, probably. They're miniature pigs.
What we named for them yet?
No, I think we're going to have a draw or something.
Alright. What do you call Kune Kunes? Simon, Peter and Bob.
I think we should call them Huey, Dewey and Louie. What do you think, Liz?
That's a Clipspeak and Wilfred.
Yeah.
Have you got one yet?
I'm videoing them.
Oh, right.
I'm going to put it on YouTube.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we'll have our voices accompanying it. You realise that?